the color.
Hi guys, welcome to Restore and Revive, a new channel that I created. What I'm going to do in this channel, I'm going to basically show videos on how to repair things that people tell you basically you can't repair. And I know that you can repair these things. It's just a tutorial on basic things, making things. I do a lot of artwork as well, but it's mainly mechanical stuff, fixing bikes, fixing cars. I'm currently busy now with my Land Rover Freelander TD4. I'm busy redoing the engine. I managed to get a new head, but yeah, that's another video. I would just like to welcome everybody to the channel, and if you can, like and subscribe. As I said, this is my first episode ever. So I'm a little bit rusty. uh, how can I say, I haven't really done this before, talking to a camera and all that stuff. So you can imagine the first couple of videos or whatever is gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Um, what I'm gonna be working on is my Land Rover TD4 turbo. It's a Garrett turbo. It's a variable nozzle turbo, meaning that the turbo has got a mechanical thingy inside, which is a ring and it does things. I'm not going to go into the details of it, but I haven't seen many videos online of guys actually trying to repair these things, and there is kits available on the market for it. I actually got a kit for my one out of China, um, but there is processes, there's steps that need to be taken to be able to put these things together. Okay, let me just show you quickly a picture of the turbo and what I'm dealing with here. Um, Here we have the turbo core. You'll see this is your intake side. Let's get it to the camera. There's your intake side, and then there's the exhaust side, and then um, here's those variable nozzle things. Now these things actually they move up and down, and then there comes like a fin out here, whatever. But we're not gonna worry about this side of the turbo. I am just gonna clean all this up as best I can, so when everything gets put together, it's clean and everything. Okay. Um, Here is the intake side of the turbo. You can see it's just the aluminium cover. The air goes in here, and then it sort of goes like a sort of spiral inside here. So it sort of gets compressed. But yeah, we're gonna not worry about that now. Okay, this is your turbo core, right? Now this specific Garrett goes on my BMW motor. Um, it's a N47 2-liter TD4. Now, this engine uses this Garrett turbo, and Volkswagen and Seat use exactly the same turbo, the core, not the whole base of the turbo, it's the core. They were so what I did is I just ordered the kit for this core. So yeah, I've ordered as well. Yeah, as I said, I ordered the kit for this thing. I'll show you the kit now. But in the next video, I'm going to show everybody how I take this thing apart and how I clean it. This turbo I won't put it in a vehicle again because these fins on the compressor side of the turbine actually got damaged. So this is only this video is only for basically to show the guys how to do it. If you're going to do it at your house, in your garage, in your workshop, or wherever you're going to do. For me, it's just showing you what to do and what not to do. because like I say, this thing spins at thousands of RPMs a minute. There is a process involved in taking these things apart where you don't really have to balance them. Remember, these things are balanced already. So if you can take this thing apart and everything's marked up and everything, you won't have to balance it. I've seen guys put the Chinese kits in these turbos and never have a problem. Um, so yeah, um, and yeah, it's just a quick video. Um, yeah, it's my first video ever, so let's hope there's much more to come. I've got a hell of a lot of content. Um, I'm gonna be redoing my whole BMW F650 GS. Um, uh, complete restoration on that bike, but that's upcoming videos. I'm just gonna see how I can grow in the channel with my editing and all that stuff, because it's not easy to do, um, especially in South Africa. There's not many people doing it like you would see in America and American channels and all that stuff. But I'll give it my best. I've got nothing to lose. I've got time on my hands. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Quick. I just wanted to upload something. So the next time you see me, I will actually be taking this thing apart. Um, but yes, first, second, I just want to show the kit before I end the video, and then you can have a look at the kit that I'm gonna put in it. Now, yeah, you can see all the little bits. These are little thrust washers. Here's your main bush. This is the one that normally wears on the turbos, and this is your plate. It's like a little plate. There's the little gaskets for your oil feeds and all that stuff. Very important. The O-rings, the little big washers. But yeah, I'm not going to go into that now, heavy in detail. Yeah, and here's basically the whole turbo stripped in pieces. So yeah, and how do you like my skulls that I made? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end it now because I'm gonna upload it actually now as we speak for the guys to watch. As I said, it is a new channel. I'm going to be posting a lot of content. It's not only going to be vehicle related, it's going to be anything. As I said, I do artwork. I make things. I can weld, I can spray paint, a bit of everything. I'll share my knowledge with everybody. um, yeah, as I said, I got a lot of work on the Land Rover. So there's going to be a lot of videos coming out actually on the Land Rover. You'll see it's here in the background. Sorry, the lighting is very bad. Let's see there. And then of course there will be videos on my bike also coming soon. So yes, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks, Ed.